Hi, welcome to GladyTech Fix Earn. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix crashing MovieBox. So the first step you have to take is to go out from your MovieBox completely, click on the power button steadily and click on remote start. So when you do that, it will restart. Then you go back to your app and open your app on your device. The next step you can take is to check the internet connection. If you don't have a stable internet connection, it can make your MovieBox not to load fast or it can be crashing. The next step you can take, and this step is very important, is to clear cache. Cache can easily make your MovieBox not to move fast. To do that, you go to your phone settings. So right here, you just scroll gently and click on the app management option here. Click on the app list. So from here, you search for your MovieBox app. So right here, click on your storage and cache and click on clear cache. The next step you can take is to use your VPN if needed. If it keeps crashing or not loading, the next step you can take is to use your VPN. That way it will be easy to clear off the crashing and it will load fast. So guys, that is it on how to fix crashing on MovieBox. This video was helpful. Please do well to follow GladyTech Fix Earn for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.